Honorable Governor, with due respect to you, you are the tallest statesman, you have these qualities. But with due respect to you, Honorable Governor Ji, we respect you and we request you that today when 25 innocent lives were lost, this is claimed as a murder done by this government. We respect you when we request you to please speak on the Birch issue at the start.
Speaker sir, he should not disturb to the Honorable
Speaker
Governor.
sir, I am not disturbing. With respect to the Honorable Rajyapal Ji,
Try to
we
maintain
request
the
you
protocol
to
of the House.
please speak on the inhuman tragedy.
Speaker sir,
Political
ask
accountability
him
needs to be
maintain the
fixed.
protocol of the House.
People, 25 lives were lost. This
Sir,
is nothing but a
ask him to
murder.
maintain the protocol of the House.
We request you, Honorable Rajyapal Ji, that you should start your address with the. We will start
Ask him to maintain the protocol of the House.
people who lost their lives. This is inhuman. This is a tragedy. Honorable Governor, with due respect
Honorable
to you,
Speaker
with due respect to you, Honorable.
and members of the Legislative Assembly,
if you could start your speech with the mention
warm
of
welcome
the
to
lives
all
that were lost.
in this
25
August House
innocent lives
to the
were
first
lost.
session
25
of the
innocent
Goa
people are
Legislative
dead.
Assembly
Speaker sir,
of
who fixes
2026.
this accountability?
This is my first address in this Legislative Assembly. I feel happy
You cannot put my
to
mic off.
state that the
Yes,
government, keeping in mind
it is a right.
the
It is a right
identity,
today. We request the
culture,
Honorable
rich
Governor.
heritage
We request
and
the Honorable Governor
aspirations of the
that
Goan
he should-
community
we request
has
the Honorable
formed
Governor
a
that
new
he
district,
speaks, he speaks on the
Kushwati,
issues plaguing the
to
state.
ensure
He speaks-
inclusive
Honorable
development,
Governor, please speak on the
focused
inhuman
administration
tragedy where
and preservation
25
and
people were
promotion
murdered.
of
There has to
their
be
unique
political accountability.
social
Who has
and
murdered
cultural
25
legacy.
people? We have to
The
discuss.
creation
You kindly
of a
speak,
third
Honorable
district
Governor, with
in
due
Goa
respect to you.
will
You have to
strengthen
speak on 25
administrative
murders.
efficiency
Otherwise it is going to be a
and
shame.
bring governance
Shame for us
closer
as
to the people
legislators. Honorable
by
Governor,
reducing the
we require-
workload
we
of
request you
existing
to
districts
speak on
and
this
enabling faster, more responsive of the public services. The creation of a new district is a notable step towards decentralization. Good governance and balanced regional development. Further, headquarters of different departments and related offices will stimulate economic growth by generating employment opportunities and strengthening local businesses. It will ensure quicker access to district-level services for citizens, reduce travel time to district headquarters, enhance effective implementation of welfare schemes, and enable more focused attention on local issues, including infrastructure development, environmental protection, and tourism in the hinterland areas. Overall, it would reinforce transparency and citizen-centric administration in line with Goa's vision of a Viksit Bharat 2037. It gives me immense pleasure to bring on record that Goa has achieved a significant milestone with the first ever publication of the state map in Konkani by Sri A.K. Singh, Director, Maharashtra and Goa Geospatial Directorate, Survey of India. The initiative is a proud step towards promoting Goa's heritage, culture, and mother tongue. Further, it would give Konkani worldwide recognition and strengthen its use on the global stage. I congratulate Sri Samasthan Gokran Pragati Jeevatam Math for reaching a historic milestone of its 550th anniversary celebrations and inauguration of a major landmark 77-foot bronze Lord Ram statue, one of the tallest in Asia, at the hands of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. This is a symbol of cultural and spiritual resurgence of our Bharat's image. I congratulate the Goa Shipyard Limited for building the Indian Coast Guard first indigenous design and construct